Kaskulba Mahatma Gandhi University Kapadon Hakalaimer Bornihat Mentakasni Kalayo Ban Penon Burom Yakumba South Park Handai Pulai Ngut ki SAMLA Hagatat Convocation Kibla Pendep ya Jingpule Baper Kentup ya Shispa San Ngut Kibla Pendep ya postgraduate Ars pan rupuai ngut kibla pendep ya graduate pat nyau prangut kibla pendep ya kadan PhD hakate ke jingle burom jong school ba ya ki SAMLA pule lawan bansaki da ke jinge don lang u Ilyas Ali Padmashri Awadi Kumu Kongsan u Dr. Ranjan Chopra Chancellor u Dr. Debrata Vice Chancellor bat kiwe ki kraw perkhat bat kinong sha khosngo bha na kiwe school ba
University has been named. I was also fortunate to be present in the second convocation that was held in Moscow, and there Honorable Governor of Assam, Professor Jagdish Mukhi, has coined the title "The Elephant Man of Asia" for me. I still remember that was a momentous day for me. So I have a connection with this university very much. I congratulate all the students receiving their degrees today. The pleasure of receiving the degree in the convocation is incredible in the life of a student. With the hard-earned degree in hand, we enter a totally new world where we use this not only for earning our livelihood but an esteemed status in the society. But remember, with this comes great responsibility also. Hardly 5% people of this country have achieved what you have achieved today. You will have to guide and work for the rest 95% people who are not so fortunate like you. I will mention few evils of the present day society against which we will all have to fight. So number one evil is probably drug abuse. Enemy countries are pushing drugs into our country to weaken our youth. We will have to collectively fight against this menace, as this is more dangerous than cancer or corona. The security agencies are fighting against this drug menace in the borders as well as inland. But this menace will not stop until the youth of our country resolve to say no to drugs. The drugs not only are killing individuals or destroying families, this is destroying our society. Next to drug, or probably equally dangerous practice, has been misuse of mobile phones. The family values and social fabrics have been badly affected by our fatal affinities for mobile phones. This is killing our times, and killing time is not murder, it is suicide. The mobile phone is a very useful technology. You have to use it for the advantage of yourself and that of the society. Many young people are becoming its slave and losing all focus of life and also their eyesight for long hours of zooming into the screens. It is a pity that even after almost 3.5 centuries of discovery of bacteria by Anthony von Leeuwenhoek of Belgium in the year 1675, our people still blame the neighbor for causing diseases and death by black magic, and the result in witch hunting, which is a social menace. Many innocent lives are lost for this, and we will have to educate common people against this.
Dedicated to the upliftment of the marginalized and the downtrodden people, inspired by the teaching of great our father Mahatma Gandhi, and the value instilled in me by my education. I would like to say that I work on population of explosion of the country, particularly Assam, even I work in Meghalaya also. Once Mahatma Gandhi said, the best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. again I repeat, the best way to find yourself, to lose yourself in the service of others. So I request all the graduates who have already achieved their education goal, and they should work for the betterment of the state, betterment of our country with dedication. Each of you, the graduating class of 2019 and 2023, represent the culmination of your years of hard work, dedication, and perseverance. Again, I say, your work of dedication, perseverance, has given you the achievement. You have overcome numerous challenges, both academic and personal, to reach this milestone. But remember, your journey does not end here. It is merely the beginning of the new chapter in your life. So, this is the beginning of your new life, and this is you have to be a very all the graduates and postgraduates who have got the degree from this college, they should remember that their education, their achievement, not only is personal achievement, this is the achievement of this university, and it is for you and for the state and for the country. So you devote yourself for development work of our country as well as our state. Lastly again I congratulate all the teachers, all the students, all the staff, and the graduates on this occasion. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.